Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know. Na 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 na. Na na na. Na na na. Me step into a valley bathed in morning gold. Quiet stories waiting for unfold. Breeze and blow above the land. Carry blessings soft and grand. Me walk a trail of ancient stone. Feel the heartbeat of the zone. Birds them circle high and free, teaching lessons silently. A farmer raises hand with smile, say stay true through every mile. Me nod and let his wisdom stay, fuel me spirit through the day. Beside a river calm and wide, fisherman cast line with pride. He tell me patience rule the tide. Don't let hurry be your guide. Me watch the water ripple bright, reflecting day, rejecting night. Me feel a shift inside me chest, like troubled thoughts find place for rest. Echoes of the Golden Valley call, lift me spirit when me fall. Guide me steps and clear me sight, turn me darkness into light, Echoes rising warm and strong, carry truth the whole day long, Valley speak with gentle tone, help me find me inner throne. Me pass a child who sketch the scene, shades of amber, blue and green. She said every color hold a dream, more than what it first may seem. Her innocence inspire me mind, push me heart to stay aligned. Me breathing deep the peaceful space, feel Jah presence in the place. When sunset lay a crimson flare, voices gather everywhere. Villagers share tunes and tales, chant of hopeful winding trails. The harmony lift up the air. Only me pull my soul from every care. Only me give thanks for all me view. Bless the valley deep and true. All the moments are yet bright, keep them shining through the night. Every echo shape your way, guide your heart from day to day. Cause of the Golden Valley call, lift me spirit when me fall. Guide me steps and clear me sight, turn me darkness into light, Echoes rising warm and strong, carry truth the whole day long, Valley speak with gentle tone, help me find me inner throne. So when doubt cloud up your mind, return where echoes stay refined. Golden Valley ever near, turn your sorrow into cheer. Through the whole day long, through the whole day long. Me climb a path with steady stride, cool wine dance along me side. Mountain rise like ancient king, all the secrets nature bring. Me feel the earth beneath my soul, pull me deeper toward my goal. A shepherd hum a rustic hymn, echoes strong across the rim. He said this mountain shaped my mind, Teach me patience, keep me kind. Me take his words and hold them tight. Carry them into the light. A pot of rest beside a spring. Crafting bowls with gentle swing. She tell me balance, craft the way. Give as much as you display. Me watch her shape the spinning clay. Calm but powerful in every sway. Her hands tell truth in silent speech. Share a lesson, action teach. Oh yes. Flame of the mountain, heart burn bright. Warm the soul through coldest night. Guide me when the path feels steep. Give me strength me need to keep mountain. Flame of ancient lore. Light me, steps forevermore. Burn with purpose, burn with peace. Make me every worry cease. Me reach a clearing far and wide, where elders sit side by side. Them reason about the days gone by. Share the wisdom never die. I sit and listen every part. Feel the fire warm my heart. Them stories roll like timeless drums. Show where every blessing comes. Sunset blaze upon the peak. Paint a view beyond unique. Villagers climb up the trail. Together strong, together hell. Them chant a chorus rich and pure. Carry unity secure. Mountain glow in evening hue. All a meaning deep and true. Rise like fire through the cold. Hold your courage brave and bold. Every ember shape your day. Burn the darkness far away. Flame of the mountain, heart burn bright. Warm the soul through coldest night. Guide me when the path feels steep. Give me strength me need for keep mountain. Flame of ancient lore. Light me, steps forevermore. Burn with purpose, burn with peace. Make me heavy worries cease. So when life feel faint or hard, call the mountain as your God. Flame will rise and light your view. Show a path both strong and true. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Na, na, na. Na, na, na. Na, na, na. Oh, yeah. Me stand beside the restless tide. Feel the ocean open wide. Waves them chant a timeless beat. Wash my heart and cool the heat. Me watch the water rise and fall. Hear a distant seabird call. A fisherman me net with care. Salt breeze twist within his ear. He tell me life flow like the sea. Storms will come but so will peace. Me listen close to every line. Each word sailing to me mind. A sculptor carve a stone near shore. Shape the ocean at its core. He said me call me see. Strength and softness live in we. Me study how his carving shine. Smooth as rhythm, sharp as spine. See if I'm kiss the rugged edge. Make the moment feel like pledge. Hey, dance of the ocean, spirit strong. Sing a deep eternal song. Lift me soul through crest and trove. Teach me strength when life get rough. Ocean spirit bold and true. Carry wisdom flowing Children run along the sand, shells them jingling in hand. Them build a castle high and grand. Wave come crash but still them stand. The laughter echo loud and bright. Charge the water with delight. My smile as hope refill the air. Simple joy beyond compare. Evening color wash the sea. Purple gold in harmony. Boats return with weary crew. Grateful feed the work them do. Them share small stories, humble real. Every line me truly feel. Ocean hum a sacred tune. Bless the rising crescent moon. Flow with courage, flow with grace. Let the tide define your pace. Every crest and every dip. Guide your heart through every trip. Hey, dance of the ocean, spirit strong. Sing a deep eternal song. Lift my soul through crest and trough. Teach me strength when life gets rough. Ocean spirit, bold and true. Carry wisdom flowing through. Guide me like the moonlit tide. Hold me steady by your side. So when trouble cloud your day, let the ocean show your way. Spirit dance across the foam. Lead your weary heart back home. Ay, ay, ay. Ah. Ay, 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 ay. Ah. Ay, 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 ay. Night unfold with gentle grace. Lanterns glow in every place. My breather calm so full and deep. Feel my worries fall asleep. My walk through streets lit soft and red. Quiet thoughts inside me head. Shopkeepers hum tunes low and warm. Peace surround like healing storm. Me stop fi sip a tea so sweet. Warm front gentle through me feet. The lantern sway above me slow. Tell me take your time and grow. An elder carve a piece of wood. Shapes of meaning understood. He tell me patience carve the truth. Both for old and both for youth. Me watch his hands create a face. Filled with wisdom, filled with grace. He smile and pass me carve design. Say carry this and you'll align. Rest song of the quiet lanterns bright. Guide me through the softest night. Glow upon the weary soul. Help the broken parts feel whole. Lantern song so calm and pure. Help me heart endure. Shine the pathway deep and long. Wrap me spirit in your song. The walls tell stories bold and free. Murals of the community. Me touch the colors drying fresh. Feel the joy through every mesh. Each stroke shine like morning spark. Bright against the creeping dark. Midnight breeze come soft and slow. Let the lantern shadows flow. unknown. Every lantern softly say, you are guided on your way. A song of the quiet lanterns bright, guide me through the softest nights. Blow upon the weary soul, help the broken parts feel whole. Lantern songs so calm and pure, help me heart endure. Shine the pathway deep and long, wrap me spirit in your song. Lantern try, lead you through the evening's grace, till tomorrow show its face.
No man, I in a garden ray. Jah bless the world, yeah man. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Na 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 na. Yeah, yeah. Me open me eye pan golden ray. Jah bless the start of every day. From the mountain come the call. Stand firm, don't fall. The morning breeze whisper soft, lift me spirit aloft. Every dawn a brand new fight, but love bring light. Me walk through fire, me walk through rain. Still me chant through pain. Them build wall fi hold me down, but Jah give me crown. Me see the people tired and broke, under the system choke, but the sun still rise again. Wash away this stain. Me keep me heart clean, me mind pure, faith endure. Me hear the elder voice inside. Rasta youth can't hide. The path rough but still me trod, guided by the rod of God. Me no bow to no false king. Me let the spirit sing. Even when the world feel cold, me soul stay bold. Spirit of the rising sun, Jah lighting everyone. Shine upon the righteous way, guide me night and day. Spirit of the rising flame, burn the lies and shame. Lift me soul, me heart, me hand, heal the land. We see the youth them searching wide, truth can't hide. Them hungry for the higher plan, them ready fi stand. Me tell them love can't fade. Jah creation well made. Each man a temple, each soul divine. Like the sun, we shine. Me chant upon the mountain high, lift me voice to the sky. Me see the clouds start move away, light up the day. Me feel Jah glory deep within, burn out the sin. Me spirit dance, me eyes awake. A new dawn fi make. Even when the night look long, me sing Jah song. When Babylon try mash me fate, me rise, me create. The Spirit of the sun never fade. It light the path Jah made. From east to west, the flame still run. One creation, one sun. Yeah, spirit of the rising sun, Jah lighting everyone. Shine up on the righteous way, guide me night and day. Spirit of the rising flame, burn the lies and shame. Lift me soul, me heart, me hand, heal the land. Spirit of the sun, forever rise. Truth reflect in me eyes. No shadow strong enough to stay. Light, show the way. Me rest me mind when day is done. Thank Jah for the rising sun. Till me breath me final tone. Me know me never alone. Spirit of the sun. Na 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 na.
Nightfall, me hold the fire still. Follow Jah will. In a darkness, me guard the light. True shine bright, me watch the stars. Me hear Jah voice, me heart rejoice. Keeper of the flame, me be eternally free. Me see the world, forget the love, forget the gift from above. Them chase power, chase gold. Them spirit cold, but me hold the torch high. Me not deny, me got the spark in me chest. Jah manifest, me see them up the righteous way, but still me pray. Me carry fire through the storm. Jah keep me warm, no shadow deep enough to hide. Truth inside me, light me chalice, chant me psalms. Heart calm, carbide, keeper of the flame, burn bright. Shine through endless night, light up the heart of man. Part of Jah plan, keeper of the flame so pure. Faith endure, me carry Jah fire inside till the tide. Me walk through the desert bare. Still Jah there, me see the moon reflect the truth. Guide the youth, them call me fool, them call me mad, but me still glad. Cause me know Jah never sleep, promise keep. Me see the wicked tremble slow. Them power go, me flame expose the wrong. Them do light shine through me, guard the spark for every soul. Make them hold me, live for truth, me die for same. Keeper of the flame, no wind can blow the light away. If dead to stage, a spirit fuel the fire strong. Burn all wrong, me hold the lamp in every fight. Bring the light. Jah lively, keeper of the flame, burn bright. Shine through endless night, light up the heart of man. Part of Jah plan, keeper of the flame so pure. Faith endure, me carry Jah fire inside till the tide. Jah lively, forever rise. Jah lively, forever rise. Light up the skies. Jah fire never tame. One eternal flame. When me gone, me fire remain. True joy and pain. Keeper of the flame will be full joy and pain. Keeper of the flame for eternity. Keeper of the flame.
Aye, aye, aye. Jah leve yo man. Oh, oh, oh. Before the dawn, me hear a sound rising from the holy ground. Drum beat echo through the plain, wash away the pain. Me close me eyes, me spirit fly under Jah sky. Every thump a heartbeat true, ancient calling too. Me hear the echo of the slave, me hear the courage of the brave. Them ancestors still attack, guiding every walk. Each rhythm carries strength and truth.
light feed the youth. When the drum beat call me name, me answer flame. Me see the people gather round, feet moving pon sacred ground. Them clap, them sing, them pray for peace, for Babylon release. Every sound a healing tone, from flesh to bone. Drum no lie, it tell Jah way, night and day. We are voice of the drum, call we home. Beat feed the last and lone. Carry the word, carry the flame, all in Jah name. Voice of the drum, mighty strong, right erase the wrong. Rhythm pure like morning dew, guide with you. Me feel the spirit move my soul. Drum restore control. It chant for justice, chant for right, turn darkness to light. Each echo tell me just still near. Me feel no fear. Me let go pain, me let go pride, truth inside. Me know the drum come from the earth, sound of rebirth. It speak a language words can't tell, sacred as a bell. From the roots to the crown of man, it reveal Jah plan. Every beat a living prayer in the air. When the world grow cold and numb, listen to the drum. It teach we unity, teach we grace. One heartbeat, one race. No division, no more fight, only light. Voice of the drum, call we home. Beat feed the lost and lone. Carry the word, carry the flame, all in Jah name. Voice of the drum, mighty strong, right erase the wrong. Rhythm pure like morning dew, guide with you. Voice of the drum, eternal song, keep the people strong. Let the world remember still Jah holy will. Me rest me hand pon skin and shell, hear the story well. Voice of the drum, never done, beat till kingdom come.
Aye, aye, aye. One love, one people, yeah, man. Me wake the spirit from the past. Roots revival come at last. Drum and bass start for roll. Jah purify my soul. Me walk the path me ancestors trod. Each step guided by God. Me feel the pain, me feel the pride. Me carry Jah inside. Them chain can't bind the truth. Rebel fire of youth. Me chant me hymn for change. The whole world rearrange. Me say the struggle still remain, but love erase the pain. Me plant the seed for peace and growth. Me live my oath. No silver, no gold me need. Only Jah my creed. Me heart strong like lion roar. Rasta forevermore. Yeah, roots revival right. See the fire in our eyes. Jah wisdom ancient and deep. My soul jockey. Roots revival strong. Chant of Zion song. My spirit reborn tonight. Guided by Jah light. Me feel the wind from Africa. Whisper say remember ya. Bloodline strong, my history clear. My ancestors here. Drum echo from the ground. see the youths awake and proud. Me chant them loud. Them carry truth and fire. The future them inspire. The system can't blind no more. We open door. Roots revive, the time is now. Rasta take the vow. One nation, one heart, one soul. Jah make we walk. Yeah. Roots revive, alright. See the fire in our eyes. Jah wisdom ancient and deep. My soldier keep. Roots revive us strong. Chant of Zion song. My spirit reborn tonight, guided by Jah light. So when the drums start play again, remember where we've been. Roots revival carry on till the morning come.
Aye, aye, aye. That's on reggae, yeah, man. Look above the sky so clear. Deliverance drawing near. Cloud of mercy, light of grace. Sky reveal Jah's shining face. Every star a guiding flame. Every dawn exalt his name. No more sorrow, no more change. Sky of freedom shall remain. Prophet point to heaven high, see deliverance in the sky. Rainbow spread across the land, sky reveal the holy plan. Babylon power start to shake, sky declare what Jah will make. Every shadow
aye. Ganja is Marcus medicine, your man. Down in the valley, low and green, hope arise like morning sheen. Though the shadow try to stay, valley light a brighter day. Every seed I promise grow. Valley teach the ones to know. Gentle breeze and river song. Valley keep them moving strong. Travel a weary, take a rest. Valley give the soul its best. Fruit them ripe and flowers bloom. Valley chase away the gloom. Children laugh and elders smile. Valley healing all the while. No despair can linger long. Valley sing the hopeful song. Babylon crumble on the hill. Valley stand by Jah will. Righteous gather chant aloud. Valley hold a holy crowd. Every prayer them send above. Valley overflow with love. Roots grow strong, harvest near. Valley dry away the tear. Even when the storm cloud rise, Valley still a paradise. Shelter safe for rich and poor. Valley open every door. Birds of Zion build a nest. Valley give the people rest. Blessed ground, no fear, no fight. Valley glow with holy light. Morning sun up on the plain. Valley sing redemption strain. Evening star across the sky. Valley chant will never die. Generation pass along. Valley keep the faith so strong. Everlasting deep and wide. Valley hold your love inside. Grow seed of peace. Valley blessing never cease. Shine, shine, bright and true. Valley sing just song for you. Valley of hope so pure, so wide. Lift the people side by side. Never fading, never gone. Valley sing creation song. Forever living bold and free. Valley all eternity. Aye, aye, aye. Zion Reggae. Aye, aye, aye. Zion Reggae. Leave the ocean wide and blue. Carry love from me to you. Wave of mercy, tide of peace. Ocean brings us sweet release. Every drop of bond so strong. Ocean sing a righteous song. Far horizons near and wide. Ocean hold us side by side. Fisherman upon the shore. Hear the ocean's mighty roar. Not of war, not of strife. Ocean give the breath of life. Babylon ship may try to sail. Ocean truth will still prevail. Every tide and every wave. Ocean bless the ones just sail. Children play upon the sand. Ocean hold them in our hand. Ella bow and say a prayer. Ocean whisper love is near. Storm may come, wind may blow. Ocean guide the ones who know. Flow eternal, deep and wide. Ocean keep your truth inside. From the sunrise to the night, Ocean shine with holy light. Carry voices, carry song. Ocean move the world along. Every current strong and pure. Ocean unity secure. Every heart it pull together. Ocean bond will last forever. Sea shall echo, dolphins sing. Ocean glory crown the king. Waves them clap against the shore. Ocean chant forevermore. From creation till the end. Ocean stand as righteous friend. Eternal tide, forever free. Ocean of true unity. Flow, flow, mighty sea. Bind the people. Unity. Rise, rise, tide so strong. Ocean sing, Jah holy song. Ocean of unity deep and true. Carry the people, me and you. Never ending, wide and free. Ocean bless humanity. Forever flowing, pure delight. Ocean shine with holy light.
Zion reggae with ganja, yeah, man. Me rise up early with the sun. Chant a prayer before the day begun. Me hand in soil, me mind at peace. Planting roots, feel love increase. Me herb garden lush and green. Sweetest scent you ever seen. Me pick a bud, me feel so free. Me give thanks for Jah remedy. In a one love herb garden, we grow truth, not just pardon. Smoke roll like the morning mist. Every draw a sacred twist. Me no need no city life. Stress and hustle, war and strife. Me find me joy in leaf and land. In ganja smoke and jaja hand. Me burn a spliff, it clear me sight. Me vision bright like starry night. Me hear the earth, she talk to me. Through every leaf, me spirit free. Me see the rain come wash the ground. Roots get strong, life come round. Each drop a blessing from above. Feed the herb, feed the love. Children laugh in morning dew. Learning things them never knew. Me tell them grow it pure and clean. Jah keep your heart evergreen. Meditation time, on the stone me sit. Inhale the wisdom, exhale the wit. No rush life, me slow the pace. Me find Jah light in every space. Rasta not stray from Jah way. Me burn the chalice every day. Unity grow like the seed in a soil. Love is me harvest, peace me tile. Me share me bud with brethren true. We pass it round, good vibes renew. No judgment here, just open door. Me garden full, but always more. Me teach the youths to plant and grow. Not just herb, but heart, you know. The land a teacher, herb a guide. Just spirit always deep inside. In a one love, herb garden. Me heart beat
beat like Naya Bingy drum. Ganja smoke and morning sun. We chant till the Babylon know. In a one love, herb garden. Me heart beat like Naya Bingy drum. Ganja smoke and morning sun. We chant till the Babylon done.
Ay, 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 ganja inna the jungle, yeah, man. Yeah. Me hear the drum from far away. Call me soul to pray. Rhythm deep, me spirit high. Jah music never die. Me feel the bass inna me chest. Jah give me rest, every strike a truth reveal. Rasta strength unseal, me see the youth them start fi dance. In a chance of chance, every heart they join the sound. Unity abound. Me remember the elder song say keep the fire strong. Me no bout to vanity, only Jah me family. Music heal the broken soul, make the people whole. Me chant for the humble and weak, Jah voice them seek. A white teeth of the drum tell the world where we from. Roots vibration deep, Jah promise we keep. High beat of the drum, call the spirit come. One sound, one love, one ground. Jah rhythm all around. Jah rhythm all around. Jah rhythm all around. Jah rhythm all around. Me walk where the river flow. Hear the ancient echo, each beat a story told. Of courage bold, me close me eyes, me feel Jah grace. Love upon my face, love upon my face. The rhythm strong, the chant real. Jah power me feel, the crowd a sing the night, ignite, pure delight. Every heart align, peace divine. Drum beat, carry the flame, call Jah name. No man can steal the sound, Rasta all around. Yeah, I beat of the drum, tell the world where we from. Roots vibration deep, Jah promise we keep. Heartbeat of the drum, call the spirit come. One sound, one love, one ground. Jah rhythm all around. Oh, 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 beat, pop, bum 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 bum, beat, bum 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 bum, beat, pop, bum 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 bum. All around. When silence fall again, me feel the peace within. Heartbeat fade but still it hum. Jah love always come. Jah rhythm all around. Jah rhythm all around. Jah rhythm all around.
bright and tall. Blessings giving for one and all. Every jewel a holy flame. Zion crown, exalt his name. It rests upon the Rasta head. Zion crown, just spread, forever shining, never fall. Zion crown, for all, guide the nation, bless the land. Zion crown, by Jah hand, forever holy, wide and free. Zion crown, destiny, you see it glow in morning sun. Zion crown, never done, it shine the way, it mark the path. Zion crown, Jah Love, forever holy, strong and right. Zion crown, Jah light, it bless the children, bless the soul. Zion crown, make we whole, it shine eternal, never fade. Zion crown, Jah make, no Babylon can hide the glow. Zion crown, always show, forever blazing pure and long. Zion crown, Jah song, it crown the people, crown the day. Zion crown, Jah way, when the trumpet sound again. Zion crown, still remain, forever holy, never cease. Zion crown, bring Jah peace, from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion crown, show Jah way, eternal shining, strong and tall. Zion crown, bless all, shine high, shine true. Zion crown, for me and you. No chain, no curse can pull it down. Jah people, wear the crown. Zion crown, bright and tall. Blessings giving for one and all. Every jewel a holy flame. Zion crown, exalt his name, from age to age, from dusk.
Na 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 na, Zion brother is so high, man.
Flame of children, far and near. It rise eternal, never end. Zion song, me friend. No Babylon can silence sound. Zion song all around. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion song carry you. Zion song, loud and free, echo through eternity. Every note a holy flame. Zion song, call Jah name. It chant the mountain, chant the sea. Zion song destiny, forever holy, never gone. Zion song shining strong. It bless the people, bless the land. Zion song by Jah hand, forever ringing, wide and long. Zion song, Jah song. Me hear it blazing morning light. Zion song, Jah might. It lift the spirit, lift the soul. Zion song make we whole. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion song carry you. It guide the children, guide the way. Zion song every day. It ring eternal, never fade. Zion song Jah made. No Babylon can mute this sound. Zion song all around. Forever glowing, pure and free. Zion song destiny. It rise the people, rise the land. Zion song Jah hand. When the trumpet sound again, Zion song still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion song bring Jah peace from dawn of time till
I ganja and meditate, your man. The morning sun ablaze my skin. Jah love dwell deep within. Me breathe the light, me feel the air. Jah presence everywhere. Me see the mountain bow to breeze. Creation live in peace. Jah word echo from above. Eternal love. Me heartbeat calm and true. Me walk with you. No weapon rise can win. Love dwell within. Me look upon the world today. So much lost along the way. Me chant fi heal the pain. Love fall like rain. The people cry, but Jah still near. Me wipe away the tear. Hope still blooming at the night. Guided by Jah light, with Jah love eternal flame. Forever call Jah name. One heart, one life, one way. Love never fade away. Jah love eternal strong. Keep we moving on. Peace flow like river deep. Jah promise keep. Me sit beneath the banyan tree. Jah whisper comfort me. Me meditate, me overstand. Jah hold me on. The world spin fast, me spirit slow. Jah make me grow. Me see the sunrise touch the sea. The truth set me free. Me chant for mercy, chant for peace. Till hatred cease. Love conquer all divide. Jah dwell inside. Eternal flame, I call your name. No life remain the same. Jah mercy wide and clear. Forever near. Jah love eternal flame. Forever call Jah name. One heart, one life, one way. Love never fade away. Jah love eternal strong. Keep we moving on. Peace flow like river deep. Jah promise keep. So when my final day come, me rest in Jah kingdom. Love eternal still burn.